Login loop error on Emma Business Fix. If your Emma Business account keeps sending you back to the login screen no matter how many times you sign in, don't panic. This frustrating loop happens more often than you'd think. The surprising truth is, it's usually not a problem with Emma's servers or your password. It's actually caused by cached session data on your device. Let's walk through how to fix it quickly. Start by fully closing the Emma app or web tab you're using. Then reopen it and try logging in again. Sometimes a temporary glitch clears up with a simple restart. If that doesn't do the trick, clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, find Emma and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstalling and reinstalling the app accomplishes the same thing. If you're logging in through a browser, go to your settings, open Privacy or History and clear cookies related to Emma. Those old cookies may be storing expired authentication tokens, which are what cause the endless loop. Next, make sure your Emma Business app or browser is up to date. Outdated software can't always handle Emma's latest security processes. Update from the App Store, Google Play, or your browser's update menu. Still looping? Try switching your network. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Some networks block secure redirects used in Emma's login system. You should also check if you're using a password manager. Turn it off temporarily and manually type your credentials. Sometimes, password managers autofill old login data, which prevents the system from authenticating properly. Once you've done these steps, restart your device and log in again. The issue should now be gone, and you'll be back to managing your business finances smoothly through Emma. So remember, when a login loop appears, don't assume your account's in trouble. It's almost always a data caching issue. Clear it, refresh, and you'll have full access again in no time.